Nagbigay ng message of commitment ang bawat gubernatorial candidate sa Maguindanao del Sur at Maguindanao del Norte para sa May 2025 elections sa ginanap na Political Candidates Forum at Peace Covenant signing ngayong araw sa 6th Infantry Division. Narito ang kanilang mga mensahe.
I pledge the support for this covenant because my uncle, Dr. Tupa Mastura, said it was invite sa akin na tumakbo bilang donor. So, I'm sure wala kaming away niya. So, we support for this peaceful election po. Maraming salamat.
Kung tinandaan ko yung sinabi ko, napakabigat ng commitment ko. Kasi ang sinusunod ko, ito sinabi ko, it's just formality case. Kasi napakabigat at utos niya lang. Sabi niya, verse 41 ng Surah Al-Hajj, pag binigyan ko kayo ng kaharian o ginawa ko kayo leader, iutos ninyo ang pagsamba. Ang pagsamba, katlima ko ito. Iutos ninyo ang pamimigay ng arms. Iutos ninyo ang paggawa ng kabutihan at pagbawal ninyo ang paggawa ng masama. At pag tulinad na, kaya naman, galing na yung kaya sabi ko, formality lang ito.
So, Sir, Alhamdulillah and Inshallah. This covenant symbolizes our collective responsibility to ensure that the upcoming election are conducted in an atmosphere of mutual respect, fairness, and non-violence. We pledge to respect the rule of law and the electoral process, ensuring free, fair, and credible election. Promote a peaceful campaign free from hate, speech, intimidation, or violence. Encourage and support every citizen's right to participate in the democratic process without fear or coercion. Stand in solidarity, upholding the values of unity, respect, and national cohesion before, during, and after the election. We will use the Quran as a guidance to us. We will follow the Sunnah or footsteps of our beloved Prophet Muhammad and through the teaching of true Islam. Let this covenant be a reminder of the power of democracy and the importance of each vote. Together, we can create an election environment where every individual feels valued and the outcomes reflects the true will of the people. Let us all lead by example, choosing peace over conflict and dialogue over division. This is our shared responsibility, and together we will make this election a testament to a strength of our democracy. Shukran and wassalam. Shukran din.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Magandang hapon sa ating lahat. Siguro naman ay nandiyan naman ang covenant na naging patas sa atin. Nandiyan naman ang Armed Forces of the Philippines at ang PNP, Philippine National Police. Lastly, gaya ng sinabi ni Dato Teng, itong pamangkin namin, na siguro sinabi na niya na magkakamag-anak, tinawag nila kami na papa, at accept naman namin na pamangkin namin sila. Maliban lang siguro kung magkaroon ng ibang sitwasyon, yun lang ang buwan, yung mga violation, nandito ang kaya sinabi ko na nandiyan ang Armed Forces of the Philippines, nandiyan ang PNP, sila talaga ang mag-implement sa credible and honest election. Yun lang ang